Good morning, dear student, class 9 bio. We start chapter 1, the cell, the fundamental unit of life previously. Today we proceed in this context. Before knowing the new facts about the cell, we again recap. We recap that definition. The cell is the structural and functional unit of life. As you know, the cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Our body of unicellular or multicellular, that all are composed of the cell, and all the function activities take place inside the single cell. In the case of amoeba, unicellular. First, we know about the cell more, the division of that cell. To study that, we divide cell into three parts: cell membrane, nucleus, and cytoplasm. That is the typical cell, we can say. That is the structure of cell. The outer boundary you are seeing, that is known as the cell membrane. Cell membrane. In the ground substance of that cell, the liquid-like substance that fill the cell, that is the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. And in the central position, there is the nucleus. So we divide the cell into mainly three parts and a study. The first is the cell membrane, second nucleus, and third is cytoplasm. We can say cell membrane, cytoplasm, and in the cytoplasm there is the nucleus. In nucleus is the central positions having different organs also. Inside nucleus there is the also nucleolus, chromatin fiber, and that surrounded by the nuclear membrane, and the ground substance of that is the nucleoplasm also. So we can say 1, 2, 3. Three division of that means cell is divided into cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. Cell membrane is the outer boundary of the cell. Outer boundary of cell. Cytoplasm is the ground substance. That substance is found in the ground of the cell. And nucleus is the main part, we can say the controller of the cell. controls all activities of the controls all activity of the cell. We can say nucleus is the director. We can say they direct the different function happening in the cell and also control. That means the nucleus is the centrally placed and look after all the activities. So first is the cell membrane, second cytoplasm, liquid-like substance, and third is the nucleus. And more substance, more cell organelles are also found in the cytoplasm that are known as the cell organelles, not organs, organelle. The tiny structures, many structures are found. We study about that. That is the, we can say, one of the powerhouse here is the mitochondria. Mitochondria mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, ER, Golgi apparatus, the sac-like structure, Golgi complex. They all are involved in the different function of the cell, and complete cells have all cell organelles and they act as a cell machinery. All living organisms made of the smallest unit cell, as you know, and all the functions performed by these cell organelles combinedly for the cell. You note down these things. After that, I rub the board, and next things should be counted, the cell organelles.